Can you reiterate some things that if someone out there is dealing with grief right now, what can they start doing today?
Grief is an experience that you have on your own. You and your family may have experienced the exact same loss, but the way that it affects you is going to be totally different. You have to focus on yourself and the work that you need to do within. Grief is one day at a time. It's just like the AA meetings, is one day at a time that you have to take the time to work on you. Counseling is something that everyone should consider when you lose a loved one. And not just a loved one, when you lose a job, when you lose a divorce, counseling is something that can help you manage the grief that comes up behind major losses. So, counseling, self care, we must take care of ourselves. We must have good sleeping habits. We must eat well because, believe it or not, if you're not sleeping well and eating well, that also have an effect on your mental health and your well-being. You must pay attention to yourself from the inside out. And then you must journal it, because sitting in counseling all the time, it's not going to give you the exact answers that you may be looking for. But in journaling, you get to put on those pages what you're thinking, what you're feeling. I have a whole section in my book, The Other Side of Midnight, where it gives you the steps that you need to do to journal if journaling is not something that you feel comfortable with. And so knowing that grief is an individual process, that we go through it on our own. You can't expect anyone in your life to be where you're at in your grief, because we're all affected differently by things that happen. And so learn to be patient with one another as you're going through these different these journeys of grief, to know that this person is not me, and the way that they may handle it, I may handle it. In the way that I handle it, they may not handle it the same as I do. So take care of yourself. That's number one. Take care of yourself. Self-care is important when you're trying to manage loss.